Hello dear traders and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover Euro versus US dollar. I will speak about the USD versus Japanese yen, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the Euro versus US dollar first. So basically what I found here on the 4-hour time frame is that market is in consolidation, and that's pretty much expected because we got, first of all, it is today it is Monday, and it's usually slowest day of the week, and basically we got on top of that the holiday in the US. So that combination is causing the price mostly on majority of the markets to go sideways in the very narrow range and very low volume. So anyway, we can still set up and have the levels and potential scenarios here. So I want to, on the euro dollar, that we got a critical area, and now the resistance here at 1.1385 can easily become a very important support if the market will decide to go lower and clear 1.1399. So if we can clear that aggressively, then eventually we can see the test and retest of 1.1385. And then depending on what we will see there, we will see the test reject or break through and consolidation more lower. We will then, I will update you, depend on what we see. But so far, again, breaking 1.1400 can open the door for 1.1385, which is a key important pivot level at this stage. Now I can see also the price decide to go higher. There is lots of underlying potential resistances. We have a recent swing low at 1.1436. We have a 1.1463, like a mean of this consolidation, and then finally the key pivot level at 1.1482. So from my perspective, only if the price will go really aggressively through 1.1480 and really go strong through this pivot, then we can really see price to back into the recent swing lows and around 1.1525 or 30, and even go back to this area here, which is the mean of this consolidation around 1.1600. So that's so far my reference points and the scenarios for either test and watching for the test of this area, or going strong upside to take this 85 and eventually bring some structure to the upside. USD Japanese yen from other side. There is a critical pivot point at 114.70. I see this like a very important pivot. So in case of a strong breakthrough of this area here, I would like to see the redistribution, and then price can go higher and eventually retest 115.05 or even 115.35. So it can really open the door for next reference points, and even this, depend if we go really aggressively through this, even this area at 115.80. Downside scenario, I don't like so much the downside scenario at this stage. So far I don't see any down reference points. We have this low at 114.32, but I like the upside scenario. So well, guys, watch for the potential upside scenario above 114.70 to open this potential scenario. So going into the crude oil, there is a very interesting thing here. We might see the rotation back. We have some consolidation. The key pivot is at 83.68. If we can go lower and really go aggressively through 83.68, I think we can open the door for the price to rotate back towards the 82.65 and maybe even go to some lows at 81.80 or even 81.50. Upside scenario, since we're reaching this a multi-month high cluster around 85.35, I would like to really clear all of this aggressively and trade above 85.30 to confirm further much bigger upside structure. So as long as we're staying here, upside is pretty limited if we don't clear this 85.35. And the last one I want to cover here is a Bitcoin versus US dollar. It's pretty much in the sideways mode. Market was trading very sideways around, just back and forth. There is a point to control, or the mean around this whole consolidation around 41,800. Price tested, rejected, and now it's just trading very sideways and nothing really happening spectacular on this one. I think if we can clear 44,426, we can open the door for 45,600, maybe even to price go towards 47,000. From other side, if we clear 41,800 aggressively through, we can eventually test the pin bar area and area around 40,000. So again, very sideways and no clear directional BS on this one. That'll be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy, and I wish you a good trading day and trade safe, and see you all tomorrow morning.